Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool flexible devil eye that you can put in your car or use for your business. This is actually a really neat option because it's not an overly large size, so it would fit any vehicle and can be used for a variety of different purposes. It is approximately 23 inches long and about 5 inches wide, so it's not extremely wide, but it's built really well. It is nicely coated with these nice heat sinks and everything put on here, nicely coated on here as well, so it makes it actually waterproof, which is nice. And it actually plugs in here and has a long cord with a manual switch that can plug into a USB. So if you're in your car, you can plug that in there, or if you're in a business, you can have to get a little brick adapter to plug it into a standard 110, but you can certainly do that. Now it does have a remote that has some basic functionalities on it that allows you to do some timer functions, as well as like a turn signal function to turn left, turn right, baby on board, things like that. But a bulk of the actual usage is going to be done through this Pixel Joy app that simply allows you to go in here and do a myriad of different things, like from picking out different eyes. If we wanted to do some orange eyes, click on there. It's going to put those on there for you. So in the inside of your car window, it'll look like your car has eyes, which is kind of fun. Or you can actually use a bunch of pre-done commercial ones. So if you're going to be selling things, maybe you have pet stores, maybe you have a gym that you want to do a gym workout store. You can actually have this set up for your gym, whether it's an open sign, any number of different things. Maybe you got alcohol, tap room. You're going to set this up to where it shows that. So really cool there. You can also have a variety of different emojis that you can put on there as well, or just create your own. Now on the actual main part of this Pixel Joy app, you have all these different options, countdowns, rhythm. You can actually have it do the rhythm here. I'll go ahead and play a little bit of that. So it'll actually do like a little rhythm, little bounce thing, and you can select different modes for that as well. So that's kind of fun too. So this has a lot of different versatility. I could see a lot of reasons to use this, especially if you were like maybe a ride service like a Lyft or an Uber and wanted to have some, name it inside your vehicle for that, or for a business to be able to put in a window to show open or closed, or possibly the special of the day. This would be a great way to show that. When you're done, the thing can roll up, you can store it, and they do provide you with this extra adhesive so that you can stick this to the inside of your car, you can stick to the inside of a window. So it has a complete kit with everything you need to promote your home or business. This would work great in pretty much anyone's home.